the bottle of BB cream. Let's find out who won. Mecca Beauty Cosmetics or Pearlies BB cream. Let's dive in. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, we're gonna do the bottle of BB cream. I know a lot of our friends here who is not really into makeup and they just want like natural makeup, natural glow makeup, and it's not that full coverage. So a lot of our friends here wanted just a BB cream or CC cream, and for today, because of that, I want to do BB cream bottle of foundation or a BB cream bottle, the bottle of a BB cream. But I know I'm not really what you call this into a BB cream because of my my textures, and I prefer either full coverage or medium coverage foundations. So let's try this on. I've been using this Mecca BB cream I think twice already, and then the Pearlies BB cream if I just wanna go outside, like go groceries or just have quick errands and I don't want a full coverage. But yeah, so let's do the Mecca Beauty Cosmetics Perfecting Flawless BB Cream, and in number 05 cocoa. So that's the let me swatch that for you guys so you can see it. Of I'm not sure if my lights is it's bright but I hope you can see it because I'm here in my beauty room, and of course you can see the wall. I'm gonna paint everything, and we don't have time to do it. So this is the Mecca BB cream, and you can see it. It's very lightweight, and you can see it's glows. So it has, I think this one is it says BB cream, but it feels like it's like medium coverage foundation. So I'm gonna do is I'll do half of it and then half for the Pearlies. So that is the swatch, and it looks like, from you can see it from my skin tone, it's a little bit dark on my skin tone, but we'll see if it, I think it will oxidize. But this color is, I don't know, it's like it's kind of weird color, but it will. Let's put in our face before I talk a lot. I'll be back. Okay, so this is the Mecca um, Beauty Cosmetics. It's only one layer. So let's see if we can do a second layer. I'll do a second layer, and this is no makeup. I'll do the second layer, guys. Okay, I did the second layer, but not too much, just a little. And this is the face that has no BB cream. Like it feels like it's so a natural color. What do you think, guys? Okay, next that we're gonna try is the Pearlies BB cream. This is Perfect Glow Cream SPF 30. So this is perfect for your everyday. If you are going outside or go some errands, going to work, and let me swatch it in my hand. This one is not that dark compared to the Mecca, so you can see it here. Yeah, compared to the Mecca. Let me put side by side so you can check. Like from the swatch, you can see the difference of it. Like the other one is so dark and the other one is so light. So this is the Pearlies and this is the Mecca Beauty Cosmetics. And yeah, look at the Pearlies. Okay, let me put the Pearlies first. Okay, this side Pearlies. Yeah, it's a little bit light. Oh, I forgot to this is color light, so I guess this is not my color. Then I guess they have medium light to, I think, I'm not sure if they have a dark. I'm not sure about their color of, so I guess I have a light color. Let me finish this piece. Okay, so this is the Pearlies and this is the Mecca Beauty Cosmetics. And yeah, I think I got a wrong color but I didn't, like, I'm sorry, I didn't even read the color of the Pearlies. I should read it, but hey, it is what it is. It's already in our face. So yeah, you can see it. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Let me put my what is this, my concealer, and then I'll be back. And we are back for our thoughts. If who win for the bottle of BB cream, is it Mecca Beauty or the Pearlies BB cream? Now, I already done all my makeup, so you can see it, guys. This is the Mecca and this is the Pearlies. Oh, by the way, I still have the swatch from earlier. So this is Pearlies and this is the Mecca Beauty Cosmetics, and it all oxidized already. And as you can see, the Mecca is so dark. It's dark on my skin tone, and the Pearlies, it's still light. So maybe from this swatch, I would say I love the Pearlies more because it doesn't oxidize too much. It's still the same compared to the Mecca. It's so dark on me. Like if you wanted to buy a CC cream, BB cream, or even foundation, if you are, most likely your face is like, it feels like whenever you buy foundation, it always like darker on you. Always buy lighter one, lighter skin. Like example, if you have like it has numbers, or like this one, I think light is good. I think if the Mecca has a lighter color than this 05 Cocoa, I'll get that because I like it. It's a little bit darker on me. I would say that I think this one is better if it's like summer, but right now it's winter and I don't, like, since March I don't go out. Like I'm pale. I'm pale right now because I stay home. So I think the Pearlies is one for the swatch. But for the face, I would say, what do you think, guys? I think that I love the Pearlies more because, I don't know, it's just, it doesn't oxidize on my face and it's still the same. And I like like if you can see it on the camera, the Mecca is more like matte and Pearlies is more like lighter, like what is that, it's not matte, it's sheer, it's a sheer. So yeah, I would say it's so Like when I used this one before the Mecca, I love it. But compared to Pearlies, I would say the winner for this round goes to Pearlies Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. So yeah, that's my thoughts for today. And I don't want this video too long, guys, but you're gonna see a lot of it, the bottle of the makeup, soon in my channel, and I hope you like it. Make sure you comment down below which gonna be I'm gonna do either the concealers or the bottle of shadows, palette to palette, like we'll see. Comment down below if you want me to do first any of that. So yeah, I hope you like it, and I love battle of the BB cream today, and I hope you like it. And please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share, and of course subscribe if you love my content here in YouTube. And don't forget to click that bell so whenever I upload, you always get notified. And thank you for watching, guys, and always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom, guys.